graduated, I kind of thought, I'm not gonna say it was pinholed, but I didn't understand what all you could do. It's not always just sitting behind a desk. So that's a huge plus of being at LJB, is they do allow for all those different options within the field of civil engineering. You don't have to just come here and then decide day one, this is what I want to master in, this is what I want my profession to be, and then stick to it. They allow for a lot of variety. It's nice that you can stay within the same company and have so many different options or areas of expertise without having to leave and go somewhere else. You could be working on designing a new fall protection system, or you might be working on analyzing a building to resist the fall rest loads like an existing structure. People understand they're getting a good product coming to LJB. It's not someone just throwing something together and being like, hey, go build it. We are hands-on from start to finish. The sites where you go out and you walk on something and you can immediately see the reason why fall protection is needed. You're walking on a surface that might be a foot wide or 2 feet wide, and if you step off to the side, it's 70 feet to the bottom. So when you go out and see places like that, I think it gives you more of an appreciation for fall protection, understanding that you are protecting someone's life and allowing them to get home at the end of the day. I'm not sitting at my desk doing the exact same thing every single day, so add some variety to it, keeps it exciting.